Protein power, whole foods versus supplements, which is right for you? Are you confused about whether to get your protein from whole foods or supplements? Discover the truth and optimize your health. Whole foods like lean meats, beans, and nuts are packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They offer a complete nutritional package that supports overall health. Protein supplements, on the other hand, often lack these additional nutrients. Supplements provide a concentrated dose of protein but miss out on the diverse benefits of whole foods. Think of whole foods as a complete meal and supplements as a quick snack. Whole food proteins digest more slowly due to their fiber content, keeping you full longer. This slow release helps stabilize blood sugar and provide sustained energy. Supplements are processed for quicker absorption, ideal post-workout. However, they don't offer the same lasting satiety as whole foods. Whole food proteins are generally higher in quality, containing all essential amino acids. These amino acids are vital for muscle repair and growth. Protein supplements can vary in quality and may contain unwanted additives. Always check labels and choose reputable brands. Active individuals may need supplements to meet high protein demands. They can be a convenient way to boost intake after intense workouts. Older adults experiencing muscle loss can also benefit from supplements, especially when combined with strength training exercises. Busy schedules sometimes make whole food protein intake challenging. Protein powders or bars offer a quick and easy solution. Supplements aren't always closely regulated, so quality can vary. Look for third-party tested products to ensure purity and safety. Some supplements contain high levels of sugars or additives. These can lead to unwanted side effects or health issues. Protein needs vary based on age, sex, and activity level. A balanced diet usually meets the requirements for most healthy adults. Consult a registered dietitian for personalized protein recommendations. They can help you tailor your diet to achieve your specific health goals. Prioritize whole foods for your protein needs whenever possible. Supplements can be a helpful addition, but not a replacement for a balanced diet. Ready to optimize your protein intake and boost your health? Like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and share your favorite protein sources in the comments below.